held your lips, and then I thought that you were mine. I was misled by your sweet kisses so divine. How would I know that someday I would only be alone with memories of our love? And since that day you left me so long and blue, oh, heaven knows how I've been crying over you. I tried forgetting you, out that could never be, with clinging memories of our love. Just to forget, I wander up and down the street, but everywhere I go, I see your face so sweet. What can I do to make you stop from haunting me with painful memories of our love? But dear, in spite of all the acts that you gave, my love for you I still will be with to my grave. If in this life my fate has been unkind to me, I'll die with memories of our love. And if it's true beyond there lies another world, another life, another hope will be unfold. I'll wait for you, perhaps by then you'll stay with me and share with sweet memories of our love.